Goodbye, November. Thank you for the memories, the lessons, and the time to be thankful. I'm grateful for the good moments and the chances to grow. You've helped me appreciate life more. I'm excited for what next month will bring.
Nakalimutan ko, pandak pala ko guys. Kaya kuha tayo ng pangsungkit. Yan na guys. At hindi ko pa rin yan makuha. Pero may idea tayo guys. Kailangan natin makuha to kasi hinog na. Yung ginagawa mo.
Ginagawa mo.
At yan, may naisip na ako guys. Charan! Diba? Catcher tayo. Wow! Nagulat pa ako niyan guys. At charan! Nandyan na. Kainan na. Sarap pa naman ito guys. Ouch!